Welcome to IMCEI. Today's topic is partnership part B. P is working and Q is sleeping partner. P puts 3,400 and Q puts 6,500. So their investment ratio is 54:65. P receives 20% of the profit for managing. The rest is distributed in proportion to their capitals. Out of the total profit 990, how much P get? Now total profit is 990. P would get 20% for 990 for running the business. Remaining 80% of 990 will be distributed in terms of their investment. So the P's amount will be total 470 rupees. Next question is, M and N invest 3,000 and 4,000 in a business. So their investment amount is 3:4. M receives 10 per month out of the profit as remuneration for running the business. So as a salary, M is receiving 10 per month. The total salary M is receiving for a year is 120 rupees. And the rest of the profits is divided in proportion to their investment. If M in a year, M totally receive 390, what does N receive? So out of total salary 390, M receive 120 for running the business and remaining amount, that is 390 minus 120, 270 rupees due to investment. So we know already the profit ratio, which is 3:4. We know the investment amount of M, so we can find out the investment amount of N as profit ratio equals to investment ratio. So amount of N will receive is 360. Next, X and Y started a venture with a different investment. It was decided that X would get 20% of profit as salary and the remaining profit would then be equally divided between two of them. Had the entire profit been divided in the ratio of their investment, Y would have received rupees 5,200 more as his share of profit. The earning of X and Y respectively 16,800 and 11,200. Find the investment of X and if they invested, Y invested 82,000. So initially they are saying there are basically two types of option. First, X will receive 20% for running the business and the remaining profit will be equally divided between two of them. According to this, X is receiving 16,800 and Y is receiving 11,200. But if they will follow the second option, that the entire profit have been divided in the ratio of their investment, Y would receive 5,200 less, that is 11,600, and X would receive 5,200 more, which is 16,400. So we know their ratio of their profit, which is 11,600 is to 16,400, that is 29 is to 41. So we know profit ratio equals to investment ratio. Profit ratio we already know. We know the investment of Y, which is 82,000. So X investment will be 58,000.